Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into harmony. 12 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Accord, which means agreement or harmony. Accord. For example, the two sides failed to reach accord. Number 2. Friendship, which means a relationship between friends. Friendship. For example, plural noun, friendships. Number 3. Union, which means a state of harmony or agreement. Union. For example, the crowd moved in union to the beat. Number 4. Solidarity, which means unity or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest. Solidarity. For example, factory workers voiced solidarity with the striking students. Number 5. Unity, which means the state of forming a complete and harmonious whole, especially in an artistic context. Unity. For example, the repeated phrase gives the piece unity and cohesion. Number 6. Concord, which means agreement or harmony between people or groups. Concord. For example, a pact of peace and concord. Number 7. Amity, which means friendly relations. Amity. For example, this will bring greater amity between our peoples. Number 8. Consensus, which means a general agreement. Consensus. For example, there is a growing consensus that the current regime has failed. Number 9. Rapport, which means a close and harmonious relationship in which the people or groups concerned understand each other's feelings or ideas and communicate well. Rapport. For example, she was able to establish a good rapport with the children. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.